lovelies, welcome to my channel. Thank you again for subscribing, commenting, liking and tuning in again today. Thank you so much. And if it's your first time, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe right now. Actually subscribe. So today I wanted to share with you things that I've sort of gone through and that I can help you with. Maybe you're someone who is shy, someone who is not so confident, and maybe you want to be more confident in the way that you speak, the way that you talk to people, the way that you interact with people, and just you want to come across as confident. So I want to share with you those tips, and actually very easy things to start implementing in your day-to-day life. So the first thing is smile. Just smile. Smiling is so good for you. It's so important, and it just makes you feel better. You know, smiling actually uses a lot less muscles than it takes to actually frown, and this is proven scientifically. So smiling actually makes the other person comfortable and less intimidating. So you never know, maybe people are not really talking to you or approaching you because you always look upset, or you'll always look sad, or maybe you always look really angry. So if you just listen up a little bit and just try to smile, and that will make you feel more confident. That will make you look more confident, even if you're really not confident. When you smile, it just makes everything warm. It makes people warm to you. So that's what you want to do. You want to smile. The second thing, which is something that I never used to do in the past, and I think in the industry that I work in, I've really learned this is so important. It sort of gives you away. So it's so important to keep eye contact. Eye contact. Just look at the person. You know, before I used to, be really shy, so I'll just look down, or when I'm talking, I can't really look at people's eyes, and I'll just be so intimidated to look at someone in the eye. But try to keep eye contact for at least 5 seconds before you look down or before you look elsewhere. You know, it might be difficult, but just try it, and you'll see that it actually makes you look more confident. It makes you look more bold. Don't be afraid to look people in the eye. There's actually nothing wrong with looking people in the eye. It's okay. It's okay. They won't bite. So look them in the eye. So the next thing is standing up straight. Your shoulders, shoulders up. Don't stand like this or like sit like this. And for me, posture is something that I'm still learning, and it's so important to just stand up straight, walk up straight, and just put your chin up, put your head up, and not really in a prideful way, but it just makes you look confident. It actually makes you feel better. And when you're always slumping, and even when you're eating and you're slumping, it just doesn't go down well. So just sit up straight, stand up straight, walk straight. Your body language really shows how confident you are. And if you're really not that confident, but if you stand up straight and your shoulders up straight, it sort of helps you look more confident. And people can never tell that you're really not confident, but just by the way that you stand, the way that you speak, keeping eye contact, people will think, wow, that person is so confident, that person is so bold. The next thing, and this one is so important in terms of being confident: pray. Pray in the morning. Before I do anything in the morning, I wake up and pray, and I read my Bible. And for me, that is what makes me really, really confident above all the other practical things. So maybe you're not really a Christian, but I don't know what I can recommend for you, but praying, it just brightens your day. It's like spending time with your best friend. It just brightens your day. It just makes you feel happy and just makes you feel so much better. And that's what it's like when you're praying. You're speaking to your best friend, you're speaking to God, you're speaking to your Father whom you love and who loves you so much. So it just makes you feel so much better and just more confident, and you are just bold in yourself, and you're confident in yourself, and you don't need to compete with people. You don't need to be envious of anyone. You don't need to do anything, because you just know who you are when you pray. You just find yourself. You just find yourself. So praying is so important, and reading the Bible is so important before you do anything when you wake up. That's so important, guys. So that's what I definitely recommend to be more confident. The next thing, and this is really, really, really crucial. Like, I thought I was confident until I started to do this. And what I did is I would look at myself in the mirror. Let's pretend that this is my mirror. I'd say, Daphne, you are amazing. Daphne, you're fearfully and wonderfully made. Daphne, you're beautiful. Today you're going to be amazing. Today your day is going to be fruitful. You are powerful. And so I'll do that. But the first times, or the first couple of times I did this, I was actually shy to look at myself in the mirror. I felt intimidated by pointing at myself and telling myself that I'm powerful, telling myself that I was beautiful, telling myself that I was, you know, fearfully and wonderfully made. I would be intimidated by that, and that made me realize, like, oh my gosh, I really don't have that much confidence. You see, sometimes we may think, oh my gosh, we're so confident, but if you can't even look at yourself in the mirror, if you can't even speak to yourself without being shy or intimidated, then you really need to work on your confidence. You know, sometimes people compliment us and we are afraid to receive those compliments. You know, sometimes people say good things about us and, you know, we are afraid to receive those things. It shows that we're really not confident enough to receive a compliment. We're not confident enough to receive good things from good people. Confidence is also about accepting compliments. It's about accepting who you are. It's about speaking into your life, speaking to yourself, you know, declaring powerful things about your life, because, you know, it's not every day that people speak things into your life, good things. You know, we live in such a world where there's so much hurt and so much pain. So you find that, you know, maybe 70% of the time things that are actually spoken to you are negative things, and 30% of the time those things are positive. So not every day do we hear positive things about ourselves. So you need to start speaking positive things about yourself to yourself. Don't wait for somebody to speak positive things into your life. Do it yourself. Speak positive to your life. Wake up and tell yourself that you're powerful, because you are powerful. I mean, there's nobody like you in this world. There's only one you. You're capable and powerful to be you. And the last thing is, you know, this might not apply to everybody, but wear some heels. Put on some nice heels. And, you know, for me, I feel like heels really sort of give off a statement of confidence. And, you know, not everyone likes to wear heels, but like, if you hear heels, like if you're in an office and you hear heels, you know, it sort of grabs attention as well. So if you're someone who is really shy, maybe shy of being in the spotlight, shy of being seen, you know, in order to break out of that box, start wearing heels. And heels will grab attention, you know, because they make that sound. And, you know, just start wearing heels to sort of break out of that. And also, I find that when I wear heels, I just feel taller, and somehow feeling taller just makes you feel more confident. So I don't know what it is about heels. I mean, to be honest with you, I only have 2 pairs of flat shoes, and one of them is a pair of trainers that I use when I'm running. The other one is just a pair of flats when I need to sort of walk long distances. So the rest of my shoes are heels. Like, I'm a heels kind of girl, so I feel taller and more confident in heels. And, you know, I never used to like heels until I think I was in college. Then I started to wear more heels. I started to be more feminine and more started to wear heels. So heels just sort of make you feel more confident. I mean, most women can testify that they just feel more confident when they wear heels. So those are the tips that I recommend. I mean, I hope that they can help you. They've helped me. I mean, these are just practical things that you can implement in your day-to-day life, and you will definitely start to see the changes the more that you do this. And yeah, if you guys have any more tips of being confident, let me know in the comment section below. But I hope that this can really help you. Love you guys so much. God bless you.
Read a free chapter of Daphne's latest book, Incorruptible Beauty, and pre-order it right now on her website.